Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Parental Control in Facebook. In order to use Parental Control in Facebook, you need to follow these simple steps. So what here you need to do is to use the Parental Control. You need to actually, or a parent and a teen must have an Instagram account and be logged in and have an AdUp account or have the app updated to the latest version. So to begin with, you want to open the Instagram application and log into your account, and then tap on the profile initials from the bottom of the page. Next, you want to tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to simply scroll down to the section of Family Center. There you could find this option that is supervision for teen account, right? You click on the following option and then you want to select the person who you actually want to do it and click on the invite button. After you actually do it, so you simply want to go ahead and click on the invite button, and this is the one, so you could go ahead and tap on it and click on done. Once you actually send the invitation, the other person has to accept and you'll have a full control over the account. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.